In 1963, 15 thieves pulled off Britain's crime of the century in just 15 minutes. The Royal Mail train carried over £2.5 million in cash. The crew thought they were untouchable. The robbers had spent 6 months planning every detail. They studied railway schedules, bribed railway workers, even practiced the heist. They tampered with the signals to stop the train, overpowered the crew, loaded the cash into waiting trucks. For days they celebrated at their hideout, but they forgot to wipe their fingerprints. Police found the hideout, lifted dozens of prints. The perfect plan destroyed by something so simple.